Welcome to today's session. If you work with flow measurement or just want to test your knowledge, you're in the right place. This video is all about magnetic flow meters, one of the most widely used instruments in process industries. We'll go through a quick quiz with 10 interesting questions that cover the basics, from Faraday's law to why lining materials matter, and even what happens when electrodes get fouled. Think you know the answers? Let's find out. Grab a pen, note your score, and see how well you do. Ready? Let's start with question 1. Question 1. Which physical principle is the operation of a magnetic flow meter based on? Question 2. What is the primary requirement for a fluid to be measured by a magnetic flow meter? Question 3. In the equation E equals B times D times V used for magmeters, what does V represent? Question 4. Why are magnetic flow meters lined with materials like PTFE or rubber? Question 5. Which of the following fluids cannot be measured using a standard magnetic flow meter? Question 6. What is the function of grounding rings in a plastic piping installation? Question 7. If the magnetic flow meter is only half full of liquid, what will likely happen? Question 8. What happens to the flow measurement if the electrodes become heavily coated with insulating material? Fouling. Question 9. Which type of flow measurement does a magmeter provide? Question 10. What is a major advantage of magnetic flow meters compared to orifice plates? Great job completing the magnetic flow meter quiz. How many questions did you get right? Share your score in the comments below. I'd love to see how you did. If you found this quiz helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more instrumentation and engineering content. Got any topics you want me to cover next? Drop your suggestions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.